Since 1984, Shingle Eater has set the standard for quality in roof stripping tools and led the way in product innovation. Our commitment to quality begins before the raw materials hit the factory floor. We set and require the highest standards for the vendors and partners in our supply chain to ensure that each tool produced stands up to the demands of the job. We believe that American-made is better made, and we are steadfast in our commitment to producing all of our products right here in our factory in Massachusetts. This allows us to closely monitor every step of the production process. Each tool is built and assembled by hand by tradesmen dedicated to producing the most durable roof stripping tools. We're proud to put an American-made product into the hands of hardworking contractors across the country, knowing that they put their trust in our tools every day. Shingle Eater roofing tools are constructed from high-strength, low-alloy steel to ensure the lightest weight, highest-strength tool in the market. Our handles are machine bent for consistency and manually inspected for quality assurance. Shingle Eater tools are designed to maximize leverage with the least amount of effort, reducing tear-off time and back strain. Shingle Eater foot plates are manually stamped on a 500-ton press. When tooling, we add reinforcing corrugations, and each plate is bent as well as beveled. Heat treatment is a key part of our manufacturing process, and we have been working with the same heat treatment facility for over 30 years. They too are a family-owned business, and many of their employees have been working with our parts for decades. These dedicated craftsmen have developed the specifications that ensure each Shingle Eater is heat-treated to our specific Rockwell requirements to add the right mix of strength, flex, and durability. Careful attention to detail ensures that each Shingle Eater we produce will provide our customers with a long-lasting and reliable roofing removal tool. Welding ensures strength, and with no removable or replaceable parts, there's less risk of on-the-job failure or breakage. As a final step, our tools are painted and prepped to ship. The shovels are hung, powder-coated in construction yellow, and dried. The finishing touches include locally sourced grips, labels, and packaging. When we ship an order of Shingle Eater roofing tools to a distributor, we know we are one step closer to helping a hard-working American contractor do a very demanding job. Hopefully, a little faster, a little easier, and a little safer.